Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is OneSkill, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create this awesome Parallax video background for Zoom or any other online meeting app for free in PowerPoint. So let's go!
That's good.
To make things easier, I have created this animated PowerPoint template, which is absolutely free and works pretty much on all versions of PowerPoint. Link is in the video description. Alright, so let's zoom out a little bit. As you can see, we have two buttons. These are image placeholders. So let's click on one of these and let's insert any image that we want. All of these images are from unsplash.com. If you'd like to use the same images, links are in the video description. Now let's insert a second image. And now let's make sure that the second image is sent to back. This way, the whole animation will look much better. And now let's duplicate the first slide. And now on the second slide, let's delete all of these photos. And now let's make sure that the first photo that we insert is actually the last photo from the first slide. This way, the whole animation will look smooth, alright? And for the second photo, we can choose anything that we want. For example, this beautiful photo. Let's send it back as well. Now let's duplicate the second slide and let's do the same. Delete the slides, and the first picture has to be the last picture from the previous slide. Now let's insert another photo that we want. For example, this one with 2021. Awesome. Alright, and for the last slide, let's make sure that the second photo is the same as the first photo in slide number 1. This way, this whole animation will be looping smoothly and correctly. And skadoosh, ladies and gentlemen, we have this beautiful animated parallax background. As you can see, there are some animations going on, but you don't have to worry about these animations because I have added those animations in the slide master view. So all you have to do is worry about beautiful pictures that you want to use. Now let's just export this presentation as video MP4. Let's choose MP4, and for the slide durations, let's just leave it at 0 seconds because all of the animations are set in the slide master view. So once the PowerPoint has finished exporting the video, let's go to Zoom and let's go to choose virtual background. Alright, let's click the plus sign, let's choose add video, and let's find that video that we have just created on PowerPoint. Skadoosh, ladies and gentlemen, this way we have created and inserted this parallaxed video background into Zoom or any other online meeting app that you might be using. Google Meet, Microsoft Teams or Zoom. So I wish you a wonderful Happy New Year. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you on my next video.